We'll guide you through how to configure environment variables in Vercel. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to the Vercel dashboard by logging in with your account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the project you want to configure. You'll see a list of your projects. Click on the one you need. Look for the Settings tab at the top of the page and click on it. Inside the settings, scroll down until you find the Environment Variables section. Here, you can add new variables or modify existing ones. To add a new variable, click the Add button. A form will pop up where you can enter the name of the variable in the key field and the value in the value field. Make sure your variable names are descriptive and easy to understand. After filling these out, you can choose which environment the variable should apply to, such as development, preview, or production, by selecting the appropriate option from the drop-down menu. Once you've entered all the information, click the Save button to apply your changes. If you need to edit an existing variable, just click the pencil icon next to it, make your changes, and save again. These environment variables will now be available in your deployment process, allowing you to manage sensitive data like API keys securely. Don't forget to review your changes and test your application to ensure everything is working as expected. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.